So now today we will learn how to calculate included angles from bearings. All right. So let's see here. Calculation of included angles from bearings. All right. Let's see here. I'm going from A to B, B to C. All right. A to B and B to C. So if this is alpha, so alpha is what? 4 bearing of AB. All right. Since this is what? Beta, 4 bearing of BC. Very good. Now this is what? Let's see here. This is, let it be gamma. So this is what? Back bearing of AB or 4 bearing of BA. All right. All right. The traversing is going from in clockwise direction. So included angles will be what? Exterior included angles. Because this is a clockwise now from preceding line to the next succeeding line. From preceding line to the next succeeding line, I am going this way. Exterior included angles. All right. It means that if I am obtaining this one, then this is an angle 1. So this will be 360 degree minus angle 1. All right. All right. So it means that this will be what? Let's see here. This is what? Gamma. This is beta. So this will be what? This full minus this. All right. Huh? So angle 1 is equal to gamma minus beta. So gamma is what? Back bearing of AB minus 4 bearing of BC. For angle B, AB is the preceding line and BC is the next succeeding line. Alright. So that's equal to what? Minus of 4 bearing of BC. That's equal to next succeeding line plus back bearing of previous line. All right. Huh? Now let's see here. Angle 1 minus common. So we can write 4 bearing of next succeeding line minus back bearing of preceding line. Okay. So without using the figure, अगर हम यहाँ डायरेक्ट वैल्यू पुट करते हैं 4 bearing of next succeeding line में और back bearing of preceding line में, so what I am getting that the value will be negative. Okay. So whenever the situation comes out to be negative value, it means that by using direct formula, then it means that the exterior angle is the actual included angles. Then we have to add 360 degree to the negative value to get the actual included angles. All right. So if you don't want to draw the figure and you want to draw it conventionally or traditionally, then what you can do, you can write included angles is equal to 4 bearing of next succeeding line minus back bearing of preceding line. All right, got it? If the above value comes out to be negative, comes out to be negative, then you must add 360 degree to negative value to get the actual deflection to actual included angles. All right, so write down please. Now write a question. If the bearing of a line, write a question. If the bearing of a line is north 40 degree west, north 40 degree west, and bearing of line BC is south 70 degree east, south 70 degree east. Find angle ABC. Find angle ABC. Okay. So let's see the question. What is the question? Bearing of a line AB is. First we draw the quadrant north, south, east, west. So since it's in northwest, the line will be where? Fourth quadrant, and it's how much? 40 degree. All right, क्लियर है? नेक्स्ट क्या बोल रहा है? बेयरिंग ऑफ लाइन BC कितना है? साउथ 70 डिग्री ईस्ट. सो अगर हम बात करते हैं नॉर्थ, साउथ, ईस्ट, वेस्ट, तो साउथ 70 डिग्री ईस्ट, तो साउथ 70 डिग्री ईस्ट ये हो गया. ओ सॉरी, साउथ 70 डिग्री ईस्ट, south 70 degree east. Now let's see here. Obviously, if this is 40, this is 40. Okay. Since this south 70 degree east is more than 40, so line will be not this side. Line will be this side. All right. This is how much? 70 degree. All right. So this will be how much? 30 degree. But let's see here. You are going from ABC. So included angles will be this one, because this is the what? Clockwise direction. This is what? Clockwise direction. Because when you are going from here to here, so preceding line to the next succeeding line, this is the clockwise direction. So obviously, if I am saying this angle, this will be 360 degree minus 30 degree. So that's equal to how much? 330 degree. All right. Any doubt? No doubt? All of you cleared? Write down. Now write another question. Compute the angle between the lines AB and AC of the respective bearing. Compute the angle between the lines AB and AC of the respective bearings. Compute the angle between the lines AB and AC of the respective bearings are 52 degree 3 minute, 52 degree 3 minute, and 328 degree 45 minute. 52 degree 3 minute. All right. And what's the another? BC, AC. AB and AC na given? Huh? AC how much? AC 328 degree 45 minutes. All right, 328 degree 45 minutes. All right, huh? Got it? Now let's see here. This is north, this is south, this is east, this is west. All right. So since AB is in first quadrant, all right. So ये यहाँ जाएगा हमारा A और B first quadrant. All right. So this is how much? 52 degree 3 minute, and 328 degree is in fourth quadrant. So not, this is AB and AC. So this is 328 degree 45 minutes. So obviously 328 degree 45 minutes will be like this way. Okay, here progress of survey this way, here progress of survey this way. Okay, but here it's not defining whether in clockwise or whether in anti-clockwise, but we prefer to give the answer in clockwise direction also. If clockwise direction answer is not given, then go for anti-clockwise, but first priority will be the clockwise direction. So if this will be what? So this will be how much? 360 degree minus 328 degree 45 minutes. Can we write? This is 15 minute, 59, 28, 38, 48, 58, 31 degree 15 minute. All right. So this will be 31 degree 40. Oh, this will be how much? 31 degree 15 minute plus 52 degree 3 minute. So 2 at 3, 5, 3, 8, 83 degree 18 minute. But degree cannot be more than 60 degree. All right. So what I can write is 60 degree plus 23 degree 18 minute. Can we write or not? Can we write? So obviously what we can see here? Oh, okay, we can write 83 degree, not an issue. Actually, this can also be written as, if 1 degree is equal to how much minute? 60 minute. So we can also write 82 degree 60 plus 18, 78 minute. This can options can be given in this format. Like option can be given in this format also. Let's see here. Can we write 82 degree? I am giving 1 degree loan to 18 minute. So 18 minute plus 1 degree. Can we write? I give loan to minute as a degree, 1 degree. Can we write or not? So 82 degree 18 minute plus 60 minute. So 82 degree 28 minute. This can also be given in the option format, but generally answers, but generally minute cannot be greater than 60. ओके, सपोजिंग एनी क्वेश्चन, किसी क्वेश्चन में अगर आपका ये वैल्यू आता है तो यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ, बिकॉज द मिनट कैन नॉट बी मोर देन 60. ओके, so if you are giving 60 minute to here, then it will be 1 degree. All right. So when you give 60 minute to here, how much minute will be left here? 18 minute. So we can also write this way. If the questions, if in any questions the answer comes out to being the form of this one. Similarly, like this one, 82 degree 63 minute 91 second. All right. Suppose when you are doing the calculations and you are getting this value, then this is the answer. But it may happen that you will not get any of the options to be this value. Okay. Then what will you do? What we do? We give 1 second to we give 60 second to here. So when you are giving 60 second to here, 66 seconds is equal to how much minute? 1 minute. So 63 plus 4, 64 minute. When you give 60 second to here, how much second left here? 31. 31 second. All right, now it's less than 60. All right, but it's still more than 60. So when you give 60 minute to here, how much degree? When you will give 60 minutes to here, how much degree it will take? 1 degree. 82 degree plus 1 degree, 83 degree. When you will give 60 minute to here, how much minute will be left here? 4 minute. So this value would be written as this one. So you'll get the options having this value. It may happen that you will not get the options. Any of the 4 options will be this one. So it doesn't mean that you have done wrong. You have done right, but the same should be converted in the lowest form. All right, write down. This way we can draw the figure and we can calculate the, sorry, 4 bearing of BC. This is what? 4 bearing of BC. We can calculate the 4 bearing of BC. All right. So what we are observing? We are observing that 4 bearing of next line is equal to 4 bearing of previous line plus included angles measured in clockwise direction from preceding line to the next succeeding line. All right. When you are जब भी आप अगर included angles add कर रहे हैं, so included angles that added must be in clockwise directions. All right. Whether it can be interior or can be exterior, but the included angles which one you will be adding here, that must be in the clockwise directions. All right. And if the sum is greater than 180 degree, then deduct 180 degree. If the sum is less than 180 degree, then add 180 degree. If the sum is more than 540 degree, then deduct 540 degree. Got it? So write down. Write down. So write down a question. In a given figure, ABC is an equilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Written. If the bearing of AB is 150 degree, if the bearing of AB is 150 degree, then the bearing of AC, let's see here. This is A, B and C. All right. I have assumed, but what is the bearing of AB is given? 150 degree. In which quadrant it will be? First 150 degree, second quadrant. All right. So it means that the A nomenclature has been given right. Okay. So this is how much? 150 degree. What we have to find? Bearing of what we have to find? Bearing of AC. So bearing of AC, bearing of AB is given or what is given? Which one is given? Bearing of AB is given. Huh? So we have to find bearing of AC. All right. How we will do? Bearing of AB is given. You have to find bearing of AC. So obviously, this is how we have to find. All right. This is how much? Equilateral triangle. 60 degree. This is how much? Equilateral triangle. 60 degree. So what will be the answer? What will be the answer, gentlemen? What will be the answer? Huh? 16? How 16? This is how much? 150. This is 60. So this will be how much? 150 plus 60. That's equal to 210. All right. That's equal to 210 degree. All right. So do another questions.